nyina ngabagamba ntinera twatugende sina sente muganda wange amazeni ezebimwa mei kati akumyewo Waji, what's up? Banange. What you gonna be that? Charo.
Don't sing. Classic California, don't sing. Don't sing.
Mati,
Mary. Yeah.
Mati,
what's up?
Luganda no.
Man.
Mati.
You're right.
Simono no.
No Uganda small. See you get like her cat in her.
Kapi mchana. Nachikosi para mchana jangwa muzaba kanyi. Mari. Martin. Now tell me.
You're right.
Buganda when come story.
Like what you try to make?
Kunyumya ngozi. Urugendo rubade rutia. What is the road?
Like oh God. You know?
Yeah.
For us in America,
Mommy.
like people who don't just see like everybody who's working on that.
Yeah.
We don't like to do that.
Yeah.
When I was coming, now by day Tambuli or Munyi.
Yeah,
Yeah. So when I'm traveling all over the world, I saw that everybody could be just trying to see that car those who can hang on the lesson for God. You know, when I went to California, when I first did before, like 2 months back, now tiny car
what are you going to
like I started, singing, I'm a rapper.
Hey!
I'm a rapper.
I think I know what you're talking about.
No, right?
See.
When I was a rapper, and my first song was called Call Me Baby. My first song, when I wrote in America, was called Call Me Baby.
Call Me Baby.
Yeah. That's my first song.
Okay.
And you gotta, I sing for you. I sing for you.
No.
Kuyi.
What?
Yeah, so just a little bit of time. You gotta cook like more. Yeah, you say yeah, you say yeah.
Mama,
dingy dole. Dingy dole.
Naduke miside.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, say to betu. If you're happy and you know, say to betu. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, say to betu. If you're happy and you know, say Chinatown. singa afuna kimuwa wikiye mubere bulungi DJ Jamo Kite okubalaba mwebale kwagira batumba etu bwentunulako wano nentula ne waggulu nentula ne mumbirizi nziramu ekigambo nti batugamba obulogo naye bano abaana balogo baka kigambibwa bw'abamu muyise ne ku cricket ovo nga mumanyi mujja wano bw'abamu mutuusewo ne mulabawo paaka lemusibidde wano
waliwo agambye alabyewo
oluzi baba mukikoze bwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala bizontoko nakudansi mama olumbe luli abantu kale mama bizontoko nakudansi mama olumbe luli abantu kale mama kame mukone kudansi oh mama olumbe luli abantu no kale mama bizontoko nakudansi mama olumbe luli abantu kale mama wali akatulu bwabo olumbe lwatama wanage luli abantu naye kale mama bizontoko